Welcome to Coach Speak, brought to you by Pizza Hut. Make it great. Well, we're going to travel down to the NFC South and see the Atlanta Falcons take on the New Orleans Saints. Now, you're talking about an 8-0 Falcon team playing a New Orleans Saints team that certainly has underachieved all year long. But that does not matter here, and that's exactly what head coach Mike Smith is telling his players. They already know that. Anytime they play the Saints, it is a physical game. I can't remember too many games, and I've done a number of their games over the last couple of years, two teams that are more physical with one another than the Atlanta Falcons and the New Orleans Saints. Now, Matt Ryan's at the top of his game. He's got so many different weapons to use to throw out that defense that struggles for the New Orleans Saints. That's certainly going to give an advantage to the Atlanta Falcons. But on the flip side, Mike Nolan, the defensive coordinator for the Atlanta Falcons, has done a phenomenal job with kind of a no-name defense, but he's going to be tested with Drew Brees. He has so many different weapons to go to. I think New Orleans has to run the ball well. They're capable of it and have not done it well of late, but they're going to have to run the ball extremely well to get Mike Nolan out of some of those exotic amoeba defenses that he likes to run. That's going to make Drew Brees pause before throwing the ball down the field. If they can't run the ball, then I think Atlanta's going to have a huge advantage, even though it is Drew Brees. That'll do it for this episode of Coach Speak, brought to you by Pizza Hut. Make it great.